Believe it or not, we helped rebuild the bones of a 9-year-old select soccer player, 9 years old. It started when a woman came in our center in O'Fallon with a young girl. And she said that her daughter, her name was Lily, was having pain in her lower legs. Actually through most all of her legs, but it was more severe in the lower leg. And she had gone to doctors, and the doctors said that she wasn't developing bone as quickly as the average 9-year-old person, boy or girl. And they were going to prescribe some medication for her to upregulate that bone mineral density. And she saw OsteoStrong. She must have seen one of our ads. She came in and said, "Here's my situation. Can you help Lily?" I said, "I don't know. Let's try. There's no reason, as long as she can fit in the equipment, why she can't use it. Let's try." And to her mother's credit, she said, "Yes, let's do it." So Lily came week after week after week, just like every other member. No difference because of her age, just coming in once a week and doing the session. And within 6 months, she was pain-free, back on the select soccer team, doing an amazing job. We were so thrilled to find out about her success. So if you have a child playing sports of any type, and they have some phantom pain, some weird pain, maybe joint pain, maybe they're thinking, well, man, I don't know, just something's off. Bring them in. We can help them with pain, we can help them with strength, core strength, stability. We can help elevate their performance to an incredible degree.